Welcome to this Runecast insight into our new release, version 6.8. Previously, Runecast brought two industry firsts to our customers. Full disastig coverage for vSphere 7 and automated monitoring for the Digital Operational Resilience Act, DORA, a crucial EU regulation for financial organisations. Now, Runecast is proud to announce secure agentless scanning for Windows and Linux operating systems running in VMware. In addition to the ease of connection, agentless scanning means there's no need to install, maintain or update agents. Without a persistent footprint, there's no risk of agents becoming outdated, corrupted or even exploited by attackers. Agentless solutions are easier to scale and provide broader coverage where agent installation might not be possible or practical. To ensure your cloud security posture management through a cloud-native application protection platform, visit runecast.com/contact and secure your organization's future.